Today I'm gonna spend some time to make the game a bit prettier with the new set of tiles and character art and whatnot. So the first thing I'll do is I'll look for a tile that I can use to replace the current existing one. You can see the current existing tile set by going to Editor, Configuration, and then going to the Map tab. And then yeah, you can see that this is the current existing tile set. And yeah, I'm not a big fan of this. I do want to make a bit of like pixel art style game. So I'm going to go to itch.io, which is a great site for you to get game assets, whether free or paid. And I happen to own this modern exterior art. Wait, I don't own it. So I'm going to have to I'm going to have to go ahead and buy this. Okay, so I made a purchase. I'll go ahead and download this. Take a look at what it looks like. Okay, so there's 16 by 16, 32 by 32, 48 by 48. Let's go with the highest resolution. We got characters, we got animated. Is this like the tile set? Okay, 6 megabytes. Oh, that's pretty big. Let's see. Wow, that is big. So I could be using all these stuff. Okay, so here's what I'll do. I'll just copy and paste a bunch of sections that I'm gonna end up using and leave the rest. So I'll create a new sprite sheet. So let's go it's 48 by 48. So I'll do 480 by 480, 10 by 10, or maybe 20 by 20. So we'll go 960 by 960. Okay, so I created the new sprite sheet. By the way, this is Aseprite. It's a great pixel editor tool that I enjoy using. So what I'll do is I'll copy a whole bunch of stuff from here. Let me see. Okay, I'll probably just do something like this, copy, and then move it over here, drag it a bit, make it fit. Okay, good. All right, so we got that portion done. I think I lost some. Yeah, it got cut off at this point. So I lost a bit. Is that okay? Maybe not. So I'll increase the sprite size. So what's 960 plus 480? That is 1440. Ooh, let's not lock ratio. Then 960, right? Good. Okay, so I extended it, and then we'll copy and paste again. Is this now okay? I think so. All right, cool. So this is one section. Let's save this as I don't know, the pixel sprite sheet file. I'll add a tiny bit more to this. So I think there's other landscape portion that I can copy and paste here. So I'll take these. Okay. Ooh, it is quite big. I may actually have to extend the canvas size. So make it 1440. Yes. Okay. There we go. Now let me paste these. Okay, good. We'll use this as a starting point for now. Now what I'll do is I'll go back to our game editor and I'll change the tile set. So we'll go upload image and we'll choose the file that I just uploaded. Tile width and height is 48 by 48 and submit. Okay, we're gonna save and close. This will republish the game. All right, so we're in the game. Everything is pitch black. So let's start painting the map. So I'll choose here. Let me erase a bunch of layers that I don't need. So I'm gonna get rid of floor 2 and 3 layer. I just need the walls and floor for now. And then I'll choose the floor layer and okay. And then we are going to clear the layer. Yes. And let me choose a tile in our palette. This isn't quite right. Properties. I think there's a way to customize our grid somehow. Is there? Okay, grid settings. Okay, width and height. Okay, so let's go 48 by 48. Okay, there you go. Let me move the entire thing so they're perfectly fit right there. Ooh, okay, everything else looks okay to me now. Yeah, they seem pretty fit. Okay, let me upload the tile sheet. Upload and submit. Close and republish. All right, cool. So now I'll choose a tile and we'll fill it with the bucket fill tool. All right, so we can now see the map. Where's our unit at? Okay, over here. Okay, cool. Let's start customizing this a little bit. Let's see. I could add an island of grass. Brush tool, and we'll do something like this. And then fill in the center portion. and something like this, and fill the edges. Look at that. Okay, we got a little bit of a grass island. Ooh, wait, did I make this using wall layer? I think I did. Damn it. I drew this using the wall layer. This is actually elevated. So if you take a look, yeah, that's exactly what I did. So that was an accident. Gosh, so we'll have to erase this, clear that, and start over. Make sure I'm choosing the floor layer. Okay, fill, good, and then fill the edges. I know it's a bit manual. Our map editor isn't quite perfect yet, but we'll eventually get there where we're gonna provide more automated tools to make this process faster. But it does its job, like the bare minimum. So you can like now paint things in the game, as you can see. But yeah, now we have a pick themed map tile in the game. We can add some, let's just add a few more stuff, right? Okay, let's add water in the map. Let me maybe go over here, floor, and then we'll paint something up here. And, ooh, that kind of looks strange. Paint. Oh, if I, by the way, right click, I can just copy from the existing tile, so I can use this as a shortcut. As you can see, I can definitely save some time here. Cool. And let's add some water inside. So, like this, okay. And, dude, these grass, they're not even the same color. What the hell? That's so weird, man. Okay, very strange. But I'll try anyways. Okay. Yeah, very strange. I'm not too worried about this right now. But you get the idea of what I'm trying to do. I just want to make a small pond inside. And I could also add other stuff. Anyways, again, you get the idea. I'm gonna come back to the game and you can see I can move around and do stuff. Yeah. Our character feels a bit like out of place because it's not pixelated either. So we could change the look of our character by going to entities and choosing our hero. And I can click on upload cell. And I can either choose something from the existing library. Okay, we got a walking man like this. Save and apply. Whenever you upload like a new art, you actually have to save and republish because you gotta load image asset. But yeah, let's take a look at what happens when you republish. Alright, cool. Here I am. Doesn't look very fitting, but yeah, it is a pixel art. And let's say if I was to, so like I don't like the fact that it's rotating to my mouse like that. So I'm gonna click on my hero, click on controls, and I will say false for rotate to face the mouse cursor. And as a preventive measure, I'll also open the body type of the character, and I'll set a fixed rotation, meaning that this entity will not rotate. Save and save, and then now you can see that this guy's straight up like this. But what if I wanted my to rotate while my unit doesn't rotate? You can do that by going to the gun. That's the weapon he's holding right now, and go under body types, and under the selected body, so this is the body when the unit is selecting the weapon, the item, and change the weld joint to no joint, and save, and then go to controls, and make sure that it is rotating to face mouse cursor. Save and apply, and you can now see that the weapon is rotating. So I'll go to homie, and go to health, and it says display center bar. So I'll set that as false and save. I may have to restart to hide the health bar, but it should be gone after. And as for the character's art, let's go back to our assets and or the itch.io's assets. And then let's search for, I don't know, like a hero, pixel art. There are a few that we can choose from. Okay, maybe this guy is more fitting. He's clearly not the best, but why not? What the heck? Who cares, right? It's free, so I'm just gonna go ahead and download this right now. Download. Let's see what this image looks like. Okay, perfect. So this is pretty ready to go here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 5 spreadsheet. So I'll go ahead and go to entities, then click on our homie and change it by uploading the image from the computer. Choose the gladiator image file that we just downloaded. Column count is gonna be 8. Row count is gonna be 5. Submit. There you go, right? As for the animation, default animation should just be a dude idling. So I'm gonna choose these sprites. Let's have them move at about 15 frames per second, looping infinitely. And when the unit is moving, so we'll create a new animation called, I don't know, move. And this is the movement animation. We're gonna change this soon, so you can just like drag and select a bunch of sprites at once. Also, we have this awesome built-in feature called effects, so that when unit is on idle, we'll play the default animation, and when it is moving, we will play move animation. Save and apply. And hey, look at that. Look at the dude. And you can see him moving stuff, which is pretty cool. Let me make sure that he has the right body proportion. So if you take a look at this, it's pretty like evenly, like the width and the height is actually pretty even. We'll go to the body and let's make sure the ratio is correct. Save. And another thing I'll do, okay, so is that like it's not a pixel art. It's all blurry. It's been interpolated. And I don't like that. I want to retain that pixel art style. So you can go to editor and then go to rendering, and you can enable the pixel style. Wait, do we have this here? We have to go like phaser. No, where is this? Oh, there you go. Rendering filter. Why is the rendering filter under engine? That's strange. We're gonna move it under rendering. This makes no sense. But yeah, you go to rendering filter and set this as pixel art. Save and close. And yeah, we'll have to republish again. Okay, cool. Now you can see the whole pixel art style, and movement animation also works. Let's open the sky. Go to the attributes and health. Oh, that's why. So we have this like display on the unit. So we have to unselect all of these, and that should remove them altogether. What should we add next? I would like it if my unit was like flipping and then looking towards my mouse. So we'll go to controls and then enable this flip sprite horizontally with respect to mouse. I know that's a long label, right? But set that as true, save and apply, and then now you'll see that he is flipping based on where my mouse is. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, this is how you can change the overall looks of your game. So now you know how to change the map tile sheet as well as changing your unit's appearance. We'll be adding some more features in our next video, but thanks for watching. Bye guys.